I just spent 1 week in Bangkok, and if I had only 24 hours, this is what I would do. To immerse yourself in the culture, first of all, you should go to Wat Pho.
Wat Pho is the oldest temple in Bangkok and Thailand, dating back to the 17th century. It is known as the birthplace of Thai massage. You will find here Thailand's largest reclining Buddha statue, which is 150 feet long. The statue is gold-plated and represents the Buddha entering Nirvana. One of my favorite parts in the temple is definitely the walls that are painted with so much details. They are beautiful. Visitors can drop coins into 108 bronze bowls to bring good luck and help maintain the temple. You can also ring the bell here in the temple, which is believed to offer protection and ward off evil spirits.
Second stop would be Wat Arun temple, which is for sure the most Instagrammable temple here in Bangkok.
Wat Arun was once the capital of Thailand during the Ayutthaya period. It has been restored multiple times from the 1800s until 2017. Here you can rent a Thai costume for 150 baht and hire a personal photographer to take some shots.
I think this is the most Instagrammable temple in all Thailand for sure. Just something a bit annoying is that there's a lot of renovation and work, so it's a bit noisy these days.
If you're hungry, please stop by the local restaurants. They are amazing, and don't be afraid by how they look.
Next stop, Icon Siam Mall. So there are a lot of malls in Bangkok, but definitely this is the most amazing I've seen.
So on the ground floor, they have a floating market, which is really great with good vibes and amazing food. There's so much variety, you can get lost in there for hours. However, I would recommend you to try the crocodile. It tastes like chicken, so if you're adventurous enough, let's do it. You should definitely head to the rooftop, which has an amazing view over Bangkok and the river.
Don't miss this one, the Lumpini Park.
Lumpini Park was the first park in Bangkok and is still the largest. It is named after Lumpini, the birthplace of Buddha in Nepal.
You know what's crazy in this park? It's just so calm. There's barely any noise here. Such a contrast versus the city, the roads.
The park is home to a variety of animals, but definitely the must-see is the monitor lizard. There are 400 of them in the park, so easy to spot. Just enjoy. It will be so fun with the kids.
You should definitely try a rooftop bar here in Bangkok. There are plenty of options. I personally went to Vertigo on top of the Banyan Tree Hotel. It is pricey, but treat yourself for one night. It's nice. It's an experience.
Thank you so much guys for watching. It was my first video. I really hope you liked it. See you in the next one.